So we just got in San Diego. We're gonna hang out here for the night.
Shut.
Going to get some sushi at this Sushi Freak. Guess we're not going there. It looks like it's closed. Sushi Freak. We're gonna try this Mexican place right here. Mexican Grill and Cantina. So full. They upgraded us to the presidential suite, so that should be interesting. We're heading over there now to check it out. For being a Courtyard Marriott, this place is nice. It's right downtown Gaslamp, and it is like a Ritz-Carlton. Our plan today is to head over to Kaanapali Beach and hang out there for the day. Should be pretty nice. It's gonna be kind of overcast, but we'll get some good sun today. So we just got to the Sheraton in Kaanapali Beach. Just got our whole beach set up. Good place to chill all day. We got the shade, we got water, we got tunes. Should be a good day. Chilling. Just got back from Kaanapali Beach. Had an excellent time there. Pretty overcast, but it's a nice day. Got a lot of sun, if you can tell. Walking down here to the coast. See if they've got this pool cleaned up and see how it's looking. Turned out to be a pretty nice day. Sun's out. Looks like they're doing a good job of cleaning this place up. It's getting a little better. Pool's coming along. We should be able to get in this pool right by the ocean here tomorrow. So here we are in Lahaina, getting ready to grub on some pizza. A little tip, if you're in downtown Lahaina and you love pizza, best place to go, Lahaina Pizza Co. Best deep dish pizza they have on the island. Here's some shots from the drone, or of the fire that behind where we're staying up in the mountains. I think it took out hundreds of acres of land, which was mostly scrub brush, but I know a couple of houses did burn down. I talked to a guy here. He said his cousin's house burned down. But you can see how vast it is across the mountains.